Hey guys, I will show you how to make strawberry jam with only 3 ingredients and that too preservative free. We need some fresh strawberries in this recipe. First, cut the strawberries into small pieces. I like to have strawberry jam with small pieces. If you don't like pieces, you can pass the chopped strawberries into a blender and then use it to make jam. Keep all the chopped strawberries together. Add the chopped strawberry pieces in a skillet or a saucepan. I have not yet heated the pan. Add sugar and mix well. Ensure that all the strawberry pieces are nicely covered by sugar. After some time, water will be released from the strawberries. On low flame, heat the skillet with the strawberries. Add lemon juice and mix well. After some time, the strawberry syrup will start bubbling. At this stage, turn on the gas to medium heat. After some time, the color of the strawberry syrup will change from light pink to dark pink color. Stir occasionally. Check if the jam is done. It is still running, so let us continue cooking for some more time. When the jam starts thickening, reduce the heat to low and stir. Ensure that the jam does not get burnt by sticking to the bottom of the pan. The jam has thickened nicely and it is ready. To check if the jam is ready, drop few drops of jam in a plate and check if it is running. If it is not running and if it is not falling, the jam is done. Also, using your fingertips, check if the consistency of the jam is fine. The jam will further thicken even after cooling down. Transfer the contents to an airtight jar. It will stay good for up to 10 days when kept in a refrigerator and for 2 to 3 days when kept at normal room temperature. The strawberry jam looks delicious and it has turned yummy. It can be easily applied on a bread slice and it spreads nicely. Children will love to have this strawberry jam with a slice of bread or as a sandwich. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.